Namaste everyone, welcome to Pranayama series second episode. Today we will learn 3 different pranayamas to boost our immunity power. As it is a guided pranayama practice, I want you to sit in any comfortable position, whether on a yoga mat or on a chair, wherever you feel comfortable. Now let's begin with Ujjayi Pranayama, victorious breath. In this pranayama, we are going to close the epiglottis into half, and then we are going to inhale and exhale through the half open epiglottis, so that you are going to create hissing sound or a sound of an ocean. As there is a constriction of the throat area, the air rushes in and rushes out through the throat, so it produces the hissing sound. Because of the half closed epiglottis, you are able to inhale for quite longer time and you are able to exhale for longer time. Okay, so I want you to sit in a comfortable position, widen your shoulders and sit nice and tall. First I want you to just watch how I do, and then we'll practice together. Okay, now you are going to keep your eyes closed and become aware of your breath, and once you are done, you are going to close the epiglottis half, so that you are going to produce hissing sound with inhalation and exhalation. See the demonstration. So in this pranayama, you are going to try to inhale as long as possible to your maximum lung capacity, and you are going to exhale as long as possible. So this really improves your lung functioning and provides a lot of oxygen to the lungs area. Okay, now let's begin together. Sit nice and tall and begin please. Let's practice for 5 rounds. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and begin. Inhale. Exhale. Continue for 4 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Gently open your eyes. So as you notice, when you close the throat into half, only there is a half airway passage left to inhale and exhale, because of which you can inhale quite longer and exhale quite longer. So this really helps to activate all 3 parts of your lungs and improve the air circulation to all 3 parts of your lungs. Okay, and this is also considered to be a preparatory pranayama, not only for breathing exercises, even for asanas, and even while doing any final posture, you are going to maintain this Ujjayi breath to be able to maintain for longer and improve the air circulation to your lungs. Okay, this completes the first pranayama, and let's move on to the second pranayama, that is Kapalabhati Pranayama. This is considered to be king of all the pranayamas because of its enormous amounts of health benefits. Now let us understand what is Kapalabhati. Kapala means the cranial cavity and Bhati means cleansing. As the name itself indicates, it really creates pressure changes in the head area due to forceful exhalation, so that it increases the blood flow to the cranial area and activates your brain and improves the nervous energy. Okay, let's begin with the Kapalabhati Pranayama. First I will show you the demonstration, then we can practice together. In this pranayama, only you are focusing on forceful exhalation. I will give you a small hint how to exhale forcefully. For example, when you want to blow the candle, you don't blow it very slowly, right? You blow quickly so that the flame goes off. So the same concept, instead of blowing through the mouth, you are going to blow through the nose. So what you do is you are going to exhale forcefully, so that there is a strong abdominal contraction happening with every exhalation. See, like this. So when you exhale forcefully, the air rushes out through the nose and that produces strong abdominal contraction. Okay, now let's practice together. First we will go with very slow speed and gradually increase the speed and strength of exhalation. Okay, now sit nice and tall. Keep your shoulders nice and wide, and first let's start with very slow exhalation and gradually increase the strength of exhalation. Okay, now we'll begin with maybe 15 to 20 strokes in the beginning and take a pause and again continue for a couple more rounds. Exhale. 5 more. Stop the practice and observe the changes soon after the practice of Kapalabhati Pranayama. As you may notice, there is increased blood flow to the head area, especially the sinuses, cranial cavity. Due to strong abdominal contraction, there is a good amount of massaging to the abdominal organs. There is improved oxygenation of lungs and blood. There is a nice exercising of your diaphragm muscle. This completes the first set. Now let's go for the second set. In the second set, you are going to increase the speed and strength of exhalation and try to produce strong abdominal contraction with every exhalation. Okay, let's continue for maybe 15 to 20 strokes. 1, 2, 3 and begin. Five more. Relax. Observe changes in your breathing pattern soon after the practice of Kapalabhati Pranayama. Feel the impact on your energies, on your mind. Now let's move to the third pranayama. Slowly open your eyes. Now the third pranayama is called as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, in other words, nostril balancing pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. In this pranayama, you are going to adapt a mudra called as Nasika Mudra. You are going to flex your index finger and middle finger and turn your palm facing towards you, and you are going to use the thumb to close the right nostril and ring finger to close the left nostril. Okay. Now what you do is you are going to take a deep inhalation through both nostrils and close the right nostril and exhale through the left. Always we have to start with exhalation through the left nostril and begin with alternate nostril. So what you do is you are going to again inhale through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Again inhale through the right nostril. Now close the right and exhale through the left nostril. Let's see the demonstration once again. First inhale through both nostrils. Close the right and exhale through the left. Again, inhale through the left. Close left, exhale through the right. Again, inhale through the right. And exhale through the left. So this completes one round. We can do this for another 5 rounds. Okay. Now let us practice together. Sit nice and tall. Place your left hand in Chin Mudra. Back erect, neck erect, eyes closed, and begin please. Now inhale through both nostrils. Now close the right nostril with help of thumb and exhale through the left nostril. Again, inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Continue the same format. Practice with absolute awareness. Two more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly release the right hand and observe the changes soon after the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. This is a wonderful balancing pranayama which brings perfect equilibrium between right and left half of your body, right and left nostril. It creates perfect balance between heat and cold energies, in other words, sun and moon energies. Observe the impact of today's practice on your body, mind, and soul. Feel the tranquility within yourself. These are great practices to boost immunity power and feel fresh. Slowly open your eyes. Thanks for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Namaste.